back to the shop. It's Monday, the 19th of November, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
That's some good hot apple cider this
Yes,
evening.
it is. Delicious.
All right, let's jump straight into it and talk about what went on this past week in the shop. So, this week in the shop, we went through all the Christmas boxes.
Yes, we did. Not all of them, but got through a chunk.
Went through a lot of them. Looking for stuff that we're going to be taking to the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market next time we go, and we'll talk more about that in just a few minutes. We worked on our reindeer trios. I guess that's as good as anything to call them, and that's these
kind of like my witches.
Yeah, kind of like the witches that Mama made for Halloween, where you got the three witches where they got hold out in a little platter. Only these will be holding the wreath. We'll show you those later. It's a little bit early for that yet. We picked up some logs from Daniel's house.
Yes, we did.
Logs from Daniel's house. Got one sitting on the mill getting ready to be cut right now. It's actually out there waiting for us. Thank you, Daniel. We appreciate that. We milled up a pine log.
Yes, we did.
7-foot pine log. Got 6 nice slabs, a couple thin slabs out of it, and a short slab, and just 1 or 2 little bonus boards out of there. Got some really pretty wood out of that. We'll talk more about that later. Alrighty, let's move on and talk about projects completed here. Alright, projects completed. We finished 14 snowmen, post people snowmen. I don't know how you want to call it, but anyhow.
Same as the turkey.
Yeah,
they're landscaping timbers.
Kind of same, just like that, landscaping turkey.
Timbers.
Mama makes snowmen out of them. We finished several of the sign people like that. We did some snowmen and some Grinches. We're out of the Scarecrow market now until next year, correct?
Yep.
So we got a bunch of those done. Although I'm not really sure how many. Probably what? The total, maybe a dozen out of.
No, there's more than that because there's
a bunch. Yeah, there's a bunch.
There's probably 20.
Yeah, we cleaned the show trailer, and by we, I mean Mama cleaned the show trailer. Got it pretty much organized.
That was an accomplishment.
Yeah. And then we made a video. Now this is going to be a surprise video, so surprise. But we're not going to tell you a whole lot about it. You're going to have to keep watching. You're going to have to keep your eyes out. You're going to have to watch Facebook. You're going to have to watch YouTube. Kind of see what happens here. We got a pretty interesting little video, I think. Working on the editing now. Hopefully I have it done tomorrow evening. So y'all keep an eye out for that. Let's move on. Alrighty. Let's talk about shows and markets and shows. The only thing to talk about, Lakewood 400 Antiques Market up in Cummings, Georgia. We'll be up there the 30th of November, 1st of December, and the 2nd of December. Looking forward to doing primarily just nothing but Christmas.
Nothing but Christmas, Christmas projects, Christmas, anything that people would buy for Christmas.
Yeah, and we missed last week. This last weekend we missed. Got home on Tuesday and we had some trouble with the truck. That's pretty much all squared away. We know what the problem is. Got to get 2 new batteries, and we'll get all that fixed up. Definitely going to be to the next show and be ready for it. Because that's going to be our season closeout. That's going to be it for the year. And then we're going to slide into a little relax mode there. Alrighty, so keep an eye out for us there. 30th November, 1st of December, and 2nd of December. Lakewood Antiques Market up in Cummings, Georgia. Alrighty, let's move on, guys. That really is good. Alrighty, upcoming for Two Dogs. We're going to release that special video, and that's all we're going to tell you about it. You better kind of keep your eyes open and be watching out for that. It's not going to be one they're going to miss. They're not going to miss this one, are they?
Nope.
We're going to put some new wheels on the bar cart. Now, we built a bar cart a while back, took it up to Atlanta, and actually got to where we kind of used it and depended on it a lot. But it's got a little problem we noticed when we pushed into the building. It's got a flat wheel or two, so you got that ka-thunk, 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 ka-thunk. You know that cart you go when you go to Walmart or you go to Publix and you're pushing around and you're the only person in there with the cart going ka-thunk, ka-thunk. Well, we're the only people in the whole Lakewood up there that had the cart going ka-thunk, ka-thunk, ka-thunk. So we're going to change those wheels out. You got the wheels already for it, didn't you? So we got that. We're going to undo that haul tree that I made a year and a half ago that everybody loves, but nobody
wants to buy it.
With them. Yeah, well, that one lady wanted it. I had to talk her out of it because she was trying to put a 36-inch haul tree in a 21-inch space. And I was like, man, I'd love for you to have it, but it's not going to work. I want you to be happy. And that was up at Lake Oconee, Del Webb.
And
that was over a year ago. we're going to get ready for Thanksgiving.
Yes, we are. I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, that's going to be this Thursday up at Daniel and Kimmy's. I think we're planning on getting there early in the morning, eating is it breakfast
casserole.
Breakfast casserole. Looking forward to that.
She's making us that for breakfast.
And a big Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to be smoking about a 14.5-pound turkey, getting it up on the grill and getting it going. Going to brine it the night before. So looking forward to that. We're going to watch the movie that we always watch. That's right. Don't care what it says on the title. This is Chevy Chase's Christmas Vacation. That will be Thanksgiving night. Be there at Daniel and Kimmy's or be square, be left out. I'm looking forward to it.
I am too. I laugh every year. Yeah, sing it a million times.
Know the words by heart, but y'all be there and try to catch us with the movie, and we are looking forward to that. Just to catch you up a little bit, y'all keep an eye out for this, because that was the book, if you remember, we fixed, did a video on fixing that like the first of the year. Seems like it's holding up pretty good, but we'll find out more about that later. Then we're going to where on Sunday?
We are going
Clark's Hill Christmas tree.
Yeah,
Clark's
Christmas
Hill
tree.
Christmas tree farm. That's right. Hopefully everybody will make it. I understand a few of you won't be able to make it. We're going to miss you, but we're looking forward to a good time there, like we always have had for the last 20, maybe something years.
Hopefully we can get some other families in our football game, because we may not have enough to play.
May not have enough, but we're going to take the football. We're going to be up there. We're going to be ready to play, and looking forward to a good time. We're going to probably leave here about 11:30 or so, maybe a little earlier. Get to Daniel and Kimmy's, and we're striking off from there. So looking forward to that. Y'all try to make it out there with us for that. As always, it's going to be a great time. Plenty of hot chocolate, plenty of Little Debbie snack cakes, plenty of boiled peanuts. And then we're going to be riding the tractor.
And hot cocoa.
And hot cocoa. We're going to be riding around looking for trees. So y'all try to make it out with us. All right, let's move on, guys. Well, actually, I think that's about it for this evening. Loretta, do you have anything you want to do?
Well, since we'll be at the Atlanta Market, Lakewood 400 Antiques Market, we will be missing the Thompson Parade. The Thompson Parade will be on the 2nd of December this year, so we'll miss that, and that's kind of sad, because I always love the parade. And didn't you want to ask something, or didn't you want to talk about the walnut we cut?
Oh, yeah. If y'all remember, there's a big old walnut slab. Thank you, Michael, for getting us that walnut tree here about a year ago. And I cut one of the slabs up last night so we can actually use it for projects. Now, this is some pin stock here that came out of that. And this is just kind of what we're looking at here. And then this is kind of just the sapwood or the blonde. Nothing to see there. But this looks really, really nice here. This is kind of what we got out of there. Now, this is just a thin shaving, but let me see one of those bigger boards there. I got two really nice pieces of walnut out of there, and this is just a tree that we got from Michael, like I said, about a year ago, right? But look at that. Look at this.
They're gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous. And we've already got plans for those.
Yeah, so be looking forward to these.
Yeah,
these are going to be awesome.
All right. Anything else you got, or is that going to...
Ow! I dropped the board on myself. We did, however, go through the shed, dig out all the templates for all of our projects that have been made. So if you find a template somewhere, we've got a central place for it. Everything's going to go in one spot now. So.
That's it. And really important news to the Butterbean. Meemaw got your pig fixed as much.
He's working, baby.
As much as he can be fixed. So Meemaw's got that done for you, Butterbean. Alrighty, is that it?
That's all I've got.
Well, as always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. This week in the shop. Alrighty. We went through a bunch of the Christmas boxes.
Yes, we did.
A bunch of those, and got some stuff that we'll be taking up to Atlanta 400, or excuse me, Lakewood 400 Antiques Market. We worked on our... We got to start this over. I'm completely lost. I have no clue where I am or what I'm doing.
You got a whole little sheet of paper right there. You're supposed to read it.
Okay.